about me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just gonna do something crazy to my hair once again, because what else are we gonna do when we're stuck in quarantine? So this is where my hair is currently at. It's not too bad, considering that I did like a protein treatment in my hair, and that usually strips my hair color like pretty quick. But yeah, I'm just gonna switch it up a little bit. I think I'm just gonna do mainly pink and purple. Of course, I'm gonna go in with Jerome Russell Punky color. This is hands down probably my favorite hair color, and it has been since high school when I first colored my hair purple. Long story with that one, but I might add just a little bit of blue. Of course, I'm going to go in with aquamarine from Arctic Fox. So yeah, let's go ahead and have some fun. But of course, before I do, I'm definitely going to strip my hair as much as I can, of course, because like my hair is actually not as damaged. Like my hair is incredibly soft, but of course your girl is gonna do some vitamin C treatments with some Head and Shoulders. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. Hopefully this comes out good. I honestly haven't done the vitamin C treatment in quite a while, probably since I was in high school, but if I remember right, like it does strip the hair color pretty quick. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. This is mainly going to be like a speed with music, just to keep this video short and sweet for you guys. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. I feel like I said that like 7 times already. Before I do, make sure you guys go ahead, click that subscribe button down below for me if you guys want to see more videos. And yeah, make sure you guys go ahead and follow me on all my social media links down below as well. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. So I did wash my hair yesterday because I did like a protein treatment. If you guys want to do like a hair products video, what I've been using in my hair, then let me know in the comments down below and I'll be sure to do that video. But so this is the status of like where my hair is at right now, just so you guys can see everything. Honestly, probably just the biggest thing is I'm not liking like what's going on like back here. It is so bad. So yeah, so I'm just going to start by doing the vitamin C mix. So I am going to be using my husband's Head and Shoulders. So gonna do like quite a bit here. So let's say probably not too much. I probably did like that much, like about like 2 squirts worth. I'm also gonna add a little bit of Dawn dish soap. Make sure you guys get the regular kind, so if you don't want something quite as harsh, you guys can also substitute this with baby shampoo as well, but just make sure it's like an unscented, like clarifying type baby shampoo. So I did about that much, and then I'm just gonna do 1 packet of vitamin C. And if you guys don't know about this, like this stuff gets pretty foamy because it's something within like the vitamin C that just makes it very like frothy and foamy, and yeah. And then I'm just gonna mix that in with my brush here. results. And honestly, this is perfectly safe to put on with your hands because it's literally soap. with vitamin C powder, but if there's anything else, please make sure you have gloves on. But yeah, it's getting pretty foamy. It's definitely like doubled in size, and it doesn't smell too bad either.
So many things that I could say, but I'm sure it would come out all wrong. You got something that I can't explain. Still I'll try and let you know. First summer we spent, one we'll never forget. Looking for any kind of reason to escape all the mess that we thought was what made us. Ain't it funny now we can see we're who we're meant to be. You still have all of my, you still have all of my, you still have all my heart. There's too many times I have to say I could have been better and stronger for you and me. You always made me feel okay. Those late summers we spent, stay up talking all night. I'd ask you, think we'd ever make it? You say, I'm sure if it's right. Ain't it funny to think just how stupid I used to be? Hope you always believe you still have all of mine. You still have all of mine.
Alrighty guys, so I'm probably gonna have to do this maybe 2 or 3 times. Yeah, I'm just gonna let this sit for about half hour to 45 minutes. I'm gonna wash it out and then probably do it again. Alrighty guys, so I'm just gonna go sit and I will be right back. Hi everybody, so I rinsed out the treatment. I know like my hair is honestly not doing like its justice, but I did get a lot of it pretty out. So yeah, honestly I think it's just gonna be okay, because I'm literally just gonna put like more purple on top of it, but I wanted to get like a lot of it out. So yeah, but I did see this really cool idea. I think I want to try putting the pink in like the root area and then doing the rest with the purple, and I'm honestly just gonna leave it in my hair until I get ready for work tomorrow. And yes, in case you guys are wondering, they are a semi-permanent conditioning treatment, so they're literally just like Manic Panic or Arctic Fox. So yeah.
Stay for tonight if you want to. I can show you what my dreams are made of. As I'm dreaming of your face, I've been away for a long time, such a long time, and I miss you there. I can't imagine being anywhere else. I can't imagine being anywhere else but here. True friends lie underneath the witty words don't believe. I can't believe a damn thing they say anymore. Liar, liar, you pay for your sins. Liar, 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 you pay for your sins. So tell me, how does it feel? How does it feel to be like you? I think your mouth should be quiet, 'cause it never tells the truth now. So tell me why? Why does it have to be this way? Why can't things ever change? I'm falling over and over again from all the words that you have said. It's written on my heart for everyone to see. From the place I was to the place I am to the place I wanna be. For the mountains I've been climbing over and under and over. So tell me, how does it feel? How does it feel to be like you? I think your mouth should be quiet, 'cause it never tells the truth. So tell me.
Alrighty guys, so I am just going to let this just chill in my hair overnight. Hopefully I get some good results, and yeah, I will be back to see you guys in the morning. Hello guys, good morning. So this is the results of my hair. So as you guys can see, you can definitely see the pink as it just fades to like purple, but I'm actually filming in like natural lighting right now, just so that way you guys can just see the color. But yeah, so this is the results. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up for me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.